Hello my friend, is your ankle looking like a mini bouncy castle? Is it swollen like a bladder? If you have a swollen ankle because of edema, you are not alone. Our friend Peggy needs a natural method for this. Imagine how much better you will feel when you can get your shoes on. Let's get to work. With your palm and pat on your ankle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. With your fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. With your palm, massage the swollen area. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. With both palms, massage it upward. 1, 2, 3, 4. Massage strong enough so that you feel the friction. 4, 5. Stretch your feet out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make sure you stretch to the tension point. 3, 4, 5. Stretch it inward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Place both palms on the swollen area and hold it for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. With both palms and pat it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Massage your sole upward. 1, 2, 3, 4. Massage as strong as you can. Don't worry. 4, 5. Both hands on the side of your knee and stretch your feet outward and hold it for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This time, pat it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Place both palms on the swollen area and hold it for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and relax. I have now a cold wet towel which I'm going to place on my swollen ankle and hold it for 5 minutes. Don't forget to get your free case study on how I breathe better and get rid of congestion. Click here.